Let's learn action words. Action words tell us what someone is doing. They are also called doing words or verbs. Write, write. He is writing. Sing, sing. She is singing. Run, run. They are running. Dance, dance. He is dancing. Read, read. He is reading. Jump, jump. They are jumping. Eat, eat. He is eating. Play, play. They are playing. Sleep, sleep. She is sleeping. Draw, draw. They are drawing. Cook, cook. She is cooking. Laugh, laugh. She is laughing. Walk, walk. He is walking. Talk, talk. They are talking. Clap, clap. They are clapping. Smile, smile. They are smiling. Swim, swim. The boy is swimming. Paint, paint. She is painting. Kick, kick. He is kicking. Clean, clean. She is cleaning. Help, help. She is helping. Cut, cut. She is cutting. Wash, wash. She is washing. Brush, brush. They are brushing. Drive, drive. He is driving. Plant, plant. He is planting. Build, build. He is building. Watering, watering. She is watering. Listen, listen. She is listening. Study, study. She is studying. Skate, skate. She is skating. Coloring. Coloring. He is coloring. Shopping. Shopping. They are shopping. Sweeping. Sweeping. He is sweeping. Flying. Flying. The bird is flying. Fishing. Fishing. He is fishing. Baking. Baking. He is baking. Teaching. Teaching. He is teaching. Learning. Learning. She is learning. Combing. Combing. She is combing. Waving. Waving. They are waving their hands. Shouting. Shouting. He is shouting. Whispering. Whispering. He is whispering. Skipping. Skipping. She is skipping. Hopping. Hopping. The kangaroos are hopping. Hiding. Hiding. She is hiding. Finding. Finding. He is finding. Drinking. Drinking. She is drinking. Opening. Opening. He is opening the window. Closing. Closing. He is closing the box. Crying. Crying. The baby is crying. Mixing. Mixing. They are mixing the colors. Ironing. Ironing. He is ironing the dress. Push. Push. She is pushing the wheelchair. Pull. Pull. They are pulling. Catch. Catch. He is catching a ball. Throw. Throw. She is throwing the papers. Feed. Feed. She is feeding the birds. Arrange. Arrange. She is arranging the flowers. Watch. Watch. They are watching TV. Repair. Repair. He is repairing the car. Dusting. Dusting. She is dusting. Riding, riding. They are riding. Blow, blow. They are blowing the bubbles. Fold, fold. She is folding the clothes. Slide, slide. The baby is sliding. Crawl, crawl. The baby is crawling. Hug, hug. They are hugging. Yawn, yawn. She is yawning. Sneeze, sneeze. He is sneezing. Blink, blink. She is blinking. Nodding, nodding. She is nodding her head. Shaking, shaking. They are shaking their hands. Pointing, pointing. He is pointing. Chew, chew.
The cow is chewing.
Smelling, smelling. She is smelling the flowers. Tasting, tasting. He is tasting the gooseberries. Count, count. She is counting. Lighting, lighting. She is lighting the candle. Ringing, ringing. She is ringing the bell. Tying, tying. He is tying. Pouring, pouring. He is pouring. Whistling, whistling. She is whistling. Bouncing, bouncing. He is bouncing the ball. Chase, chase. They are chasing the birds. Digging, digging. He is digging. Wiping, wiping. She is wiping. Packing, packing. He is packing. Spinning, spinning. She is spinning. Rowing, rowing. He is rowing a boat. Skying, skying. He is skying. Sailing, sailing.
The boat is sailing.
Jog, jog. They are jogging. Sneak, sneak.
The cat is sneaking.
Decorate, decorate. She is decorating the shelves with plant. Measuring, measuring. He is measuring. Wrapping, wrapping. She is wrapping the gift. Patting, patting. She is patting the dog. Beat, beat. She is beating. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe Little Learners Kids.